Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about sets topic, assignment number 5. The first question is, if P is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, find the number of subsets of P. P is equal to 1, 2, 3 given. So the total number of elements of P, n of P is equal to 3. Number of subsets of set P is 2 to the power of n equal to 2 to the power of 3. Answer is 8. Second question, if n of A union B is equal to 50 and n of A is equal to 20, n of B is equal to 44, find n of A intersection B. If n of A union B is equal to 50, n of A equal to 20, n of B equal to 44, find n of A intersection B. So now answer, we know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B is equal to 50, n of A answer 20, n of B is 44 minus n of A intersection B. So now 50 is equal to 64 minus n of A intersection B. Now you are getting n of A intersection B is getting the left side, n of A intersection B is equal to 64 minus 50, so answer will be getting 14. So next question, third one, represents A minus B union B minus A using Venn diagram. Represent A minus B union B minus A using Venn diagram. So now first of all, the universal set, here universal set, it's denoted by mu. So now two sets A and B, draw set A and set B. The first one is A minus B. The elements of A does not contain of B, means A minus B. Now only for shaded portion A union. Next one B minus A. Elements of B does not contain of A. Here shaded portion only for B. So this is the answer of A minus B union B minus A. Next one, A minus B union B minus A equal to A delta B. Fourth question, fourth one, if P is equal to A, E, I, O, U and B is equal to set of A, I, UV. Find V minus B and B minus A. Answer: V is equal to set of vowels of English alphabets A, E, I, O, U. B is equal to set of A, I, U, V. So now first you will find A, B minus B. Its elements of B does not contain of B. A, E, I, O, U minus here difference of set B and B. A, E, I, U, V. So now the common elements will be removed. First of all, here A common element and U common element, I is common element. So remaining elements here E, O. Next one B minus A. Here B minus B. A, I, U, V minus A, E, I, O, U. With the both sets V and B common elements will be removed. Here A common and U common, I common. So remaining only for elements of B does not contain of B. Here answer only for B. So this is the answer of B minus B and B minus V. Next question. And the fourth one, fifth one. If A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9 and 12, 15, 18, 21. Set B is equal to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. So now we will find the A minus B, A minus C, A minus D and D minus B. So A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Set B is equal to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Set C equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. So here given. So answer. So now first one you will find A minus B. A equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus B answer is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. A minus B, it will be the common elements will be removed first of all. Here 12 is common, so no other common elements here. And the elements of A does not contain of B means only for written as 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So next one A minus C. Set of A value 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus here C set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A minus C, it will be the common elements will be removed the first of all. Here common element 6, other common elements 12. So now other common elements A and C. So remaining elements of A does not contain of C. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. So next one. So A minus D, set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Mass, here D value 5, set of 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. So now A minus D. So common elements here 20, 15, 10, 5. Then any common elements only for 15 is common elements. No other common elements A minus D. Remaining elements only for A does not contain of D. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. So next last final one. D minus B. D set 5, 10, 15, 20. Mass B set answer 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So now answer D minus B. Then elements of D, set of 5, 10, 15, 20 minus elements of B, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So now the common elements here 20 is common. So no other common elements of D minus B. It's getting answer only for elements of D and does not contain of B. And 5, 10, 15. So last question. Represents. Sixth question. Write the set builder form of the sets A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. Write the set builder form of the sets A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. First one, answer A union B. Set builder form, set of X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is set builder form of A union B. Next one, A intersection B. X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. A minus B. X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is the answer of A minus B. Today's assignment will be completed.